Welcome, in front of me is Soyo M4 Mini PC, and in this video I will show you how to use split screen feature on this computer. So in order to use the split screen feature, we're gonna need at least two different windows opened on our desktop. Then what you're gonna need to do is grab the top bar of one of the windows and drag it to the top of your screen, and then just select one of the positions on the display for this window. So as you can see, we can place up to 4 different windows at the same time on the display. So for example, let's select this position for the browser, and then click on the other window to put it into the second position. Right now we can change the size of each window by moving the bar between them, and at this point you can already use both applications at the same time, and that's basically how the split screen feature works on this PC. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.